Hello, my name is Arvid from Uplift Robotics, and today I'll be showing you how you can use Trello to manage your team. First off, go to Trello.com and log in or create a new account if this is your first time using Trello. After logging in, this screen should pop up. Here you can see my Uplift Robotics board as well as the option to create a new board. For this video, I'm going to create a new board called Tutorial Board. After opening this new board, it should look similar to this. Here you can see a to-do list, a doing list, and a done list. You can rename these lists by double-clicking on their titles, and can create new lists by pressing the Add Another List button. Here, I'll create a new list called Published. To add tasks to a list, press the Add a Card button and enter a description. You can click and drag these cards to other lists if you want. Next, press the Share button on top of the screen and enter the email of anyone who you want to share the board with. To assign members to a task, click a card and press the plus button next to members and then click on their name. You can also include a description or view the activity on the card. To add a due date to a card, click on the card and then press Dates on the right side. This should make a calendar appear where you can view the start date and select the due date as well as a reminder of when the task is due. You can also attach images or files by pressing the attachment button on your card and entering your file. Also, you can give the task labels to help sort out by pressing the label button and by creating a new one or selecting a previously created label. I'll give this task a label called YouTube video to help sort out the board when things start getting cluttered. Near the bottom of the card settings, you should also have the options to physically move it, copy it, control notifications for the card with the watch button, archive it to delete it, or share it with others. Outside of the card, you can press the Filter button to sort the tasks and find ones with specific tags or ones that were assigned to you. Finally, to get rid of an entire list, click the three dots and press the Archive this list button. And that's all the basics of using Trello. Thank you for watching.